Hey, this is Don at DWM Grows. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little more about organic gardening. Let's find out what today's tips are. Hey everyone, DWM Grows. I want to show you how to clone or propagate mums. Having this nice mum plant here. It's growing really good, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut these babies, clippings, cuttings, whatever you want to call them, and we're going to put them in these nice little, they're made of peat moss and I think that's what they're made of. Anyway, they're called, I use these ones called Rapid Rooter. You can use any brand, that's fine, but they're pretty cool. They're like formed, got a little hole in there. What you need to do is, what you really need is this, Clonex. It's a rooting gel. It's really thick, and you don't want to dip your clippings into this. I want to put it in a little container that you can, so you don't contaminate your source. Anyway, I also like EM1. It's a microbial inoculant. It works perfect. I put it in a spray bottle. You can read the dilutions. It's very minimal, and I use that. I spray it on there. Anyway, big thing is hand sanitizer. I don't care what kind you use. Got to hand sanitize your tools. I do a razor blade, and of course my hands. Let me show you real quick how to cut these babies. So what you do is, as long as you got about 2 or 3 branches, you want to cut it. Let me zoom in here. You want to cut it right above one of these nodules on an angle. Hey, this is what it looks like. So we're going to just cut that on an angle. I hope you can see that. Put it on a nice angle like that. And then, being as I don't have a stand for my phone, I'm going to have to set it down here. Hope that I can keep everything in focus. So then, what we're going to do is, after you cut that, you're going to peel off these bottom leaves. Nice little pile over there. Alright, so you want to leave about 2 or 3 on there. Nice clipping. Now, what I do is I take a razor blade, set this down on the board, and I slice about a 1/4 inch up, and I slice that in half. I know you're probably not going to be able to see that, but I did a little slice there. Dip it in the rooting agent. I'll dip it inside the rooting agent. It's all gooey. And then you take it over here, and you'll plug it in a hole. Done. That's simple. After I get all these filled, I'm going to water. You look down in there. I'm going to water about a 1/4 inch so that these just get water on them. And I'm going to check them every day. Make sure that water level, when it gets dry, I'm going to refill it. You don't want to keep them sopping wet. So I got these all filled. Now I'm not filling every row. I mean every cell, because the plants need a little bit of room to breathe. But now, after we get all these in, I got 25 of them in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a little spritz. And spray down the cells. Now this is a mixture of just water and the EM1. Like I said, it just puts microbial little guys who grow in there, and they just help everything. You can spray it on yourself. Anyway, like I said, I got to get another tray, and I probably got another 25 left in here. And hopefully, if they all survive, I'll have 50 mums next year, in the fall. So I got my last 25 planted. Didn't have a plastic cell like I had the last time, so look, you can use anything. That is my point. Anything you got. So I use these for starting seeds, but they work just fine. And like I said, 1/4 inch of water in there just so they get, you know, these might need a little more than a 1/4 inch, but you get the point. Want to show you what they look like in the grow tent. I put these covers on, keeps the moisture in. They have adjustable vents up top, and you can see that it's already starting to get moisture in the one I put out here about 10 minutes ago. Anyway, this is the easiest and best way. These containers are cheap, lights are a little pricey, but it's not that bad to get started. You get started small and feel the joy of growing. And this is cool when you get a bunch of little plants from doing this. So check it out. Hey everyone, grand finale of the cloners of chrysanthemums, mums. They've been in these grow boxes for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And I pulled this one out. They are all ready to be transplanted into the soil. Check this out. Pull one of these plugs up. Look at the roots growing through these things. So I checked a few of them. They look great. I'm going to start transplanting tomorrow. We'll check this other one over here. Now these ones were in clear, so I don't have to pull them out. Oh yeah, they are ready to be transplanted. So this was an easy experiment. Worked out great. I lost one plant. Everyone else is viable. Every other one is viable. Everyone, you really have to try it. It's really cool. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.